Whitehorse then.
Go on, straight on.
Yeah, it's the RS.
Yankee Mike from Tango Charlie 15, vehicle failing to stop. We are Boswell Drive, back towards Chelmsford Wood. It's that Audi RS estate that I shouted up earlier. Current speeds in excess of 90 miles an hour. I believe responsible for a ATM machine break. We're approaching the outskirts at Chelmsford Wood. Pursuit authorised, over. I haven't got one at the minute. We are second exit. Looks like he's possibly done a tyre. We are Golf Lima 61, Bravo Golf Echo. Stand by for a decamp. He's going to round. Get in!
He's ramming us.
We've been round. The second vehicle's in front. We're going to just take contact, can you? Golf Lima 61. We've been round to get the helicopter and the dog towards Pushover. Oh, I ain't got my belt, mate.
I'm taking him out.
We're going to make tactical contact. We are making tactical contact due to the fact we've been rammed over. I ain't got my belt on, dude.
Don't worry, put it on. Get it on.
I'm trying to. Yeah, we're still going Greenlands Road.
Making contact.
Towards. We're gonna try and contact it and take it out to him. It means it's rammed us. We're now Hemelswood Road. Stand by. We got a dog en route, William. Don't wreck our car too much. And can we have the helicopter as well, please? Yeah, we got any other traffic units? Our car's going to be right off. Stand by. The balaclava up, 4 or 5 on board. 4 on board. Our car's going to be trashed. Moorend Avenue, left Moorend Avenue. Get another traffic unit towards us. Does the Insignia want to take over? Insignia is taking over. Get on to interops, please, boys.
We're out of the game. We're knackered.
William, from Tango Charlie, he's taken from where we are. We've gone left from Berwick's onto Moorend Lane. He's taken a right onto Chichester Grove and then right again. They're on 200. I'll try and get them onto 4, but please keep it running whilst the helicopter's coming, because it's low speed because they haven't got anything left. Bless you, thank you, matey.